Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Power BI versus SQL. We'll explore their core functionalities and best use cases. Understanding these tools helps you choose the right one for your data tasks. Excel offers flexibility for personal use, while Power BI provides robust business intelligence. SQL is the backbone for structured data management, crucial for many applications. Let's dive into their unique strengths and how they complement each other in the data world. Excel is incredibly versatile for basic calculations and data entry, making it a go-to for many. Its user-friendly interface allows for quick analysis and visualization of smaller datasets. However, when dealing with millions of rows or intricate relationships, Excel can become cumbersome. Performance issues often arise, and sharing dynamic reports can be challenging. It's perfect for individual tasks, but less scalable for enterprise-level business intelligence. Power BI shines in transforming raw data into compelling visual stories. It integrates seamlessly with various data sources, allowing for powerful, interactive dashboards that update automatically. SQL, on the other hand, is the language of databases. It's optimized for querying, updating, and managing structured data with incredible speed and precision. Together, they form a powerful duo for advanced data analysis and reporting, handling data volumes far beyond Excel's capacity. Deciding which tool to use depends on your specific needs and data volume. For quick, ad hoc analysis or small personal projects, Excel is often sufficient. When you need to build scalable, interactive reports for an organization, Power BI is the clear winner. SQL is indispensable for anyone working directly with databases, ensuring data integrity and efficient retrieval. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.